So this is a find mesh currents using a mesh analysis method. So it is very easy. You can see there is no current source. There is no dependent source. Only independent voltage source and resistance are there. So easy. Three meshes you can identify. You can give label as I1 here I1. You can give I2 here and you can give I3 here. Three meshes. So you can write plus minus for this. For I mesh 1 current, you can write plus minus. For mesh 2, this is minus to plus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. For mesh 3, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Okay, since it is actually the it contains only resistance, I'm using instead of this method writing KVL and all, I'll write inspection method only. Okay. Sum of resistance in mesh 1, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 plus 1, it is 5. Common to 1 and 2. Common to mesh 1 and mesh 2. Common, this is mesh 1, this is mesh 2. There is no resistance common to mesh 1 and mesh 2. Mesh 1 and mesh 2, there is no common. I think in this they have considered mesh 2 as this, I think. That's why they have written I1, 2 I1, 1 into I1 minus I3. So this should be I3. This should be I3 actually. This is typing mistake. So sum of resistance in mesh 1 is 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Common to 1 and 2 is 0. Common to 1 and 3 is minus 1. And voltage in the writing minus 2 plus. So minus 2 plus becomes positive right side. And three unknown variables are I1, I2, I3. Coming to mesh number 2. Common to 1 and 2 is same as 2 to 1. So it is nothing is there, 0. Sum of resistance in mesh 2. 2 plus this is 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6. And common to 2 and 3 is minus 2. Voltage value minus 2 plus minus 2 plus. So minus 5 becomes plus 5. Coming to mesh 3. In the mesh 3, the 3 to 1 it is minus 1. Common to 3 and 1 is minus 1. Common to 3 and 2 is minus 2. Sum of resistance in mesh 3. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 plus 1 7. And voltage value while writing KVL it is plus 2 minus 5 is there, that becomes minus 15 to the right side. So these are the three equations. And what you can do is you can write by inspection method, you can write this and multiply this with this. So because there is a marks for these three equations, there is a marks for these three equations, you should show. So you can show that 5 into I1 minus 0 into I2 minus 1 into I3 is equal to 5. That is equation number 1. You write 0 into I1 6 I2 minus 6 minus 2 I3 is equal to 5. Equation number 2 minus I1 I1 minus 2 I2 7 I3 is equal to minus 5. So these three equations, there is a marks for writing KVL also. You can do this. After that you can solve using calculator. Three unknown variables you can solve. So I will enter the values. If already entered values are there, you can overwrite this. Otherwise you can do rewrite once again with firstly you select. Okay, so 5 is equal to 0 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 5 is equal to 0 is equal to 6 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 5 is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 7 is equal to minus 5 is equal to. We entered all the values. Now expected answer is I1 should be 1.14. Press SD button. It is coming 0.92. We'll check what is the error. Then 0.7, say 0.7 and minus 3.8. Let us check what is the error. This is, I will verify. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 0 because 1 and 2 common is minus, that is 0. Minus 1 I1 is equal to minus 2 plus it is 5 only, correct. This is also minus 2 plus 5 only. It is plus 2 minus, so minus 5. Okay, this is 6. Sum of resistance in mesh 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 6. Common to 2 and 3 is minus 2. Coming to equation number Coming to equation number 3. So common to 3 and 1 is minus 1. Common to 3 and 2 is minus 2. Sum of resistance in mesh 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 1 is 7. So 3 equations are, let me check here once again. Where is the mistake? 5 minus 1 is 5. It is correct. 6I2 minus 2I3 is equal to 5. That is also correct. Minus 1 minus 2, 7 is equal to minus 5. I think while entering the matrix only we made mistake. It is 5, 0, minus 1, 5, 0, plus 6, minus 2 is equal to plus 5. Then minus 1, minus 2, plus 7 is equal to minus 5. Then this should be some correction in the answer. This should be our answer. Okay, that is wrong. Minus 0.92, 0.92 and 0.92, zero point 0.7 and 0.38. That is the correct, and these answers are wrong. Okay, so like that you can do. So next problem, find mesh currents using mesh analysis. So let us do how to do this problem. Okay, how many meshes are there? 3 meshes. Mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3, all you give clockwise direction. And for this is for mesh 2 plus minus, this is plus minus plus minus. For mesh 3 plus 2 minus plus 2 minus, this is minus plus. And I cannot write KVL for mesh 1. I cannot write KVL for mesh 1 because there is a current source, but I can directly write that I1 is equal to 1 amp. Okay, I1, why it is plus? It is clockwise and it is mapping with this 1 amp direction. It is same as I1 direction is same as whatever 1 amp is going. So I1 I can directly write as 1 amp. For mesh 2, for mesh 2, 2 into 2 currents are flowing in 2 amps. 2 into 2 currents are flowing in, this is plus here, minus here. So there is a mismatch in the plus 2 minus, this plus minus. So 2 into I2 minus I1, 2 into I2 minus I1, and in 1 amp only one current, that is I2, 1 I2, and KVL for mesh 2. The mesh 2, 2 I2 minus I1, 1 into I1 on I2 only, and 2 I2 minus I3 because two currents are flowing again in 2 amps, 2 ohms. And apply KVL for mesh 3, 2 into I3 minus I2, 2 into I3 minus I2, 1 into only one current here, that is I3, and minus 10 is equal to 0. So equation for 3 meshes, 3 equations are required, and we got 3 equations. What you can do is you can substitute the value of I1. You can substitute the value of I1 here, 2 I1, no? and you will get two equations. Okay, if we substitute the value of I1 here, you will get one more equation and two more second equation, and you can solve these three equations. So now actually you can use three unknown variables, or you can use two unknown variables, that is left to you. After substituting also you can do. So if I substitute here, let me see here, I1 is 1 amp now. I1 is 1 amp. If I substitute here, I1 value is equal to 1, we'll get to minus 2. Minus 2, if you bring it to right side, you're going to get 5i2 minus 2i3 is equal to plus 2 you'll get. So that is equation number 2 and 3. You can solve using matrix. Okay, I will show. Otherwise, you can write this as, you can solve this one using 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, you can cross this one as 2 cross 2 matrix. I'll show how to solve. You can solve. Can solve 2 cross 2 matrix as 5 two unknown variables. Now go to equation, two unknown variables. Now you have to select a and x, b and y is equal to c and z, because I1 is already known. Remaining two variables are I2 and I3. So select equation option number 1. Select I1 value as this coefficient of I2 as 5 is equal to 5 is equal to minus 2 is equal to plus 2 right side value, and from equation number 3, minus 2 is equal to plus 3 is equal to 10 is equal to. You simplify this, you'll get I2 and I3. Unknown variables are I2 and I3. So I2 value you should get 2.36, 2.36, and I3 value as 4.9. So this is also correct. Also correct. And I1 values, from figure only we can directly tell I1 value. So that is how to solve using three unknown equations, substituting equation number. I1 value you can substitute here and you can write. Otherwise, you can also do one more. That is, you can write here 1I1 plus 0I2 plus 0I3. This is option. Okay, is equal to 1. So then three equations, three unknown variables you can consider. Again, after solving, you're going to get the same answer. So I'm going to solve using three unknown variables here. Equation number 5, third option or second option, and I will write 1 is equal to this is directly correct now. I1 0 is equal to 1 minus 2 plus 5 minus 2. I am entering this equation, three unknown variables I1, I2, I3 is equal to right side also 0. From third equation, there is no I1 term. There is no I1 term, so 0 I1 minus 2 I2 plus 3 I3 is equal to 10. If I now entered three unknown variables, 3 cross 3 matrix, so I1 should come definitely 1 only. So x is I1, I2 is 2.36, I3 is 4.9. So this is how, by substituting I1 value here, you can convert the equation to unknown variables, that is I2 and I3 you have to calculate, or with considering this as a equation number 1 with another two variables are 0, 0 coefficients, you can solve using three unknown variables using calculator. Thank you.